Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel where we embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal empowerment. Today, we are here to discuss a fascinating topic that resonates with each and every one of us: unleashing your superpowers. Empower, achieve, excel. We all have unique qualities and strengths within us, waiting to be harnessed and unleashed. Just like superheroes, we possess extraordinary abilities that can help us navigate through life, overcome challenges, and achieve greatness. Whether it's creativity, empathy, problem solving, leadership, or resilience, our superpowers are the key to unlocking our full potential and living a fulfilling and successful life. Throughout this video, we will delve into the process of discovering, developing, and embracing our superpowers. We will explore practical strategies and insights to help you identify your unique abilities, overcome limiting beliefs, and apply your superpowers in various areas of your life. Remember, this journey is not about becoming someone else or imitating others. It's about embracing your authenticity and tapping into the incredible potential that lies within you. By unleashing your superpowers, you can become the best version of yourself and make a positive impact in the world around you. By recognizing and unleashing these superpowers, we can empower ourselves to lead a fulfilling and successful life. In this video, we will explore how you can identify and nurture your superpowers to unlock your full potential and thrive in every aspect of your life. The first thing to do is to discover your superpowers. Everyone possesses unique qualities and strengths that make them special. The first step towards unleashing your superpowers is to identify and understand what these abilities are. Reflect on your past accomplishments, moments when you felt confident and capable, and the skills you excel in. Pay attention to the activities that energize and engage you. These clues will help you uncover your inherent superpowers such as creativity, empathy, problem solving, leadership, or resilience. The second thing to do is to develop your superpowers. Once you have identified your superpowers, it's crucial to nurture and develop them further. Seek opportunities to enhance your skills and knowledge in areas related to your superpowers. Take classes, read books, attend workshops, or find mentors who can guide you on your journey of growth. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who appreciate and encourage your superpowers, as they can provide valuable support and inspiration. The third thing to do is to embrace your authenticity. Embracing your superpowers means embracing your authenticity. Understand that your superpowers are unique to you and may not be the same as others. Avoid the trap of comparison and focus on honing your own abilities. Embrace your individuality and leverage your superpowers to create a positive impact in the world. By being true to yourself, you can unlock the full potential of your superpowers and unleash them in ways that align with your values and aspirations. The fourth thing to do is to overcome limiting beliefs. Sometimes our own limiting beliefs can hold us back from fully embracing our superpowers. Negative self-talk, fear of failure, or imposter syndrome can hinder your progress. Challenge these limiting beliefs and reframe them into empowering thoughts. Cultivate a growth mindset that believes in your ability to learn, adapt, and overcome challenges. Surround yourself with positive influences and affirmations that reinforce your belief in your superpowers. The fifth thing to do is to apply your superpowers. To unleash the full potential of your superpowers, it's essential to apply them in various aspects of your life. Whether it's your personal relationships, career, hobbies, or community involvement, find opportunities to utilize your superpowers to make a difference. Your superpowers are not only meant to benefit yourself, but also to uplift others and contribute to the greater good. By applying your superpowers intentionally, you can create a positive ripple effect that inspires and empowers those around you. So, unleashing your superpowers is a transformative journey that requires self-awareness, dedication, and belief in your own abilities. By discovering, developing, and embracing your superpowers, you can tap into your unique strengths and achieve extraordinary results. Remember that everyone has superpowers waiting to be unleashed. It's up to you to harness them and unlock your full potential. So embrace your authenticity, overcome your limiting beliefs, and apply your superpowers to empower yourself, achieve your goals, and excel in all aspects of your life. The world is waiting for your superpowers to shine brightly. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. If you found value in this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Remember, you have the power to make a difference in your life and the world around you. Unleash your superpowers, empower yourself, achieve your goals, and excel in all aspects of your life. Together, let's create a world where each individual embraces their true potential and lives their best, most empowered life. Until next time, stay empowered and keep unleashing your superpowers.